We had some requests for a point of view style video on driving with the Hudway Drive heads-up display. When I originally filmed the footage for the review I did on the Hudway Drive and the add-on cameras, the filming gear was positioned too close. Though it gave a large and detailed view of the display, it did not give the viewer a good perspective of what it was like to drive with it. So here is a short POV video driving with the Hudway Drive heads-up display. Fracking Creations, showing you the good stuff.